Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today video is going to be about a makeup video using one of the two face oil that I got. I used this one for the video and stuff. I have extremely dry skin, so I like to keep my skin hydrated and stuff, and also because to break out I have acne. This oil is really good, especially for it's organic. It has like really natural ingredients in it, like you could read what's in it. So I think it's really good if you have extremely dry skin, especially for the winter time. So the one that I got is the Balance Face Oil and also Hydrating Face Oil. The name of the place is Aspect K Naturals. I'll put the link down below, so please check it out. Yeah, I like how my makeup turned out to be and stuff like that. I try something different, something bold, something new. Yeah, please like and subscribe to my channel. I also have my Facebook and Instagram name will be on the screen, so go and follow me. Go like and share. Subscribe to this channel and stuff. And I will have a video about fashion advert jeans coming up, so stay tuned. And also I want to review the new Rihanna concealer. So stay tuned, okay? Thank you. So what I would do is this, and that's it. And just like dap it, like do this, and just dap it onto your skin. Face oil is really good, especially under your makeup. You could put it at night when you're about to go to sleep and wake up. Your face feels so soft and stuff. So this is what I do. It also is really good to put underneath your makeup when it's winter time, so it keeps your face like feeling hydrated. I like the smell of this so much. It smells like, I don't know, leaves, like something that's supposed to be really organic. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm about to start my makeup right now, so let's get started, okay? First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my primer on. The primer that I'm using is the La Base primer. I got Lancome by Lancome. This is how it looks like. This is also this is it's a primer that's kind of like hydrating also. So if you have dry skin, this is like really good. Am I using the corrector to just correct my skin, because I do have a lot of hyperpigmentation, acne scarf, whatever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just put in every place that I see that needs to be covered. I'm not gonna just overdo it. Around my mouth area, there's like discoloration. Yeah. I'm really gonna give up dairy. It's really hard. Like I gave up dairy at home, but it's just like it's hard for me to give up dairy like when I go out. I'm always ordering something that has cheese in it or milk or something. But anyway. I'm going with the bras that I use is this thing that I bought, like Flawless Bra Trio. It's really good. This is how it looks like. It literally has like everything. Just keep it simple. So I'm going to use a concealer to kind of like make my brows pop. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution concealer in color C13. foundation color 440. It says shake it, so I'm going to shake it. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna move on to my eye. I'm not gonna do much and stuff. I am going to use the Wild palette that I bought by Hush. I got it in hush.com. So I want like more reddish orangey look. So let's get started, okay? Oh, before, let me put my primer. Oh my gosh. The primer I'm gonna use is C11. It's a little bit lighter for my eye. Right here, I'm gonna use this one and that one. I'm gonna use my beauty blender to kind of do everything. I'm going to use a pencil to line my lips. I have this Jordana pencil right here. It's just a brown pencil. Guys, so I went back and I put my lashes and lip and also some what is it, highlighters and stuff like that. So this is a look. It's nighttime right now, but you know, I feel like I'm looking cute and sexy and stuff. Yeah.